What's up, everybody? Blue Suit Reviews, another mod video. I started off doing this mod series with numbers, but I'm big enough to admit that the numbers thing was a bad idea, so we're cutting that. We're canceling that. No more numbers on the mod series. I'm gonna just throw mod after mod at you. And if you like the mods that you see, make sure you check the links in the description because I always link whatever mod that I've done to any vehicle that I'm dealing with in the description below. We're talking about the carbon fiber trim mod. So this is a very simple, easy mod, very inexpensive. I think it cost me maybe around 60 bucks to get all the pieces that I wanted. And I realized that even as I'm making this video, or even as I order the pieces that I have, there are more pieces that can be purchased. I just haven't figured out if I really want them or not. So the carbon fiber mod is not actually carbon fiber, but it's like painted pieces of plastic that are kind of made to look like carbon fiber. And it won't focus. But this is it right here. So that's the door handle cover. I wish it would focus more. That's the door handle cover. So in total, I think I got around 5 or 6 pieces of this plastic carbon fiber cover stuff. If you know how this door handle looks, it's actually a really shiny chrome painted plastic that's underneath here. These carbon fiber looking pieces you can purchase on Amazon, and I was really skeptical before I bought these because I felt like they probably wouldn't stay. But I've had this over here on here for over a month, and there's like pieces of 3M tape underneath the plastic so that it sticks to the door handle. But I mean it's on there. I tell you what makes this good is the fact that it's cut snug to fit the door handle. If it wasn't, this would be a terrible idea. Like this would not be advisable at all. But it really fits. The pieces that cover the door locks and the window switch, this piece is actually like, yeah, I was less skeptical of this because it's sitting on a flat surface and there's really no gravity with this guy. With this guy, it's stuck on the side, and after a while gravity would make it want to peel off and fall. But this piece was definitely more of something I knew that, or I felt like this would probably be a great piece. And the way that it's made on the back side, if you wanted to put additional pieces of 3M tape on here to help it stick, you can do that as well. But I love the way it looks. Like it adds character. And if you watch my other videos, you know that I buy mods, or at least I try to get mods that are gonna add like some nice character to the vehicle. And this is definitely a good purchase in my book. On the steering wheel, there are 4 pieces that I purchased from the same company, and the company I think is Voodoo Nala. But I'm gonna post a link in the description just in case I'm saying it incorrectly. But this 4-piece setup is this piece here that goes around the cruise control buttons. That piece over there that goes around the map buttons, or the dashboard selector buttons, or whatever you call these buttons over here. I guess map buttons. Probably all of them are map buttons. It's got this piece that covers that chrome that goes around the edge of the SRT, around the horn. And then there's an additional piece right here on the bottom that's kind of inserted right in this hole at the bottom of the steering wheel. I kind of wish that the piece covered up more of this gray plastic, this silver plastic. But having this piece in here covering up what it's covering up, it definitely makes the steering wheel look a whole lot better. And on the other side, same thing. And I haven't had any problem with this plastic piece that's covering the makeshift or the imitation carbon fiber. I haven't had any problems with it pulling off. But the other thing is, I know that it's there, so I'm very careful when I grab the door handle so that I don't pull a piece off of the door handle. And then again, right here on top where the window controls and the mirror controls are, and the door locks, got another carbon fiber piece, and these pieces really fit snugly. Shout out to Voodoo Nala for cutting these pieces very well in order to fit the Dodge Challenger. Again, I'm really still skeptical over the pieces that cover. They actually make pieces that cover these vents that'll cover up that chrome looking plastic. But I'm kind of skeptical that they may not stick correctly. So I think my move is going to be to try and pop these pieces out and go get them powder coated or painted another color instead of trying to stick those pieces over here. Or I might just purchase the pieces and try them, and if they didn't work out, they're really inexpensive, so it's really not a whole lot lost if it doesn't work. It'll just be one of those things that I tried to mod and it didn't work, and I would know the reason why. Anyway, that's the end of this video. I just wanted to do a quick, cheap, inexpensive mod that I could talk about very quickly. Something that you could go and purchase today if it's something that you've been looking for. If you're in the Florida area, specifically the West Central Florida area, make sure you follow me on Instagram. I try to post events, if I'm gonna be out somewhere, or if I know it's gonna be a group of people out somewhere, or if I'm at the drag strip, I post all of that stuff on my Instagram. So make sure you follow me so you know when events are happening. Blue Suit Reviews, thank you for tuning in. As usual, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and share this video. As always, I appreciate you tuning in to my videos, and I will see you in the next one.